It's a little longer version of this antique can I've got. Probably got it in a box of stuff. Kind of, it's been a while, been a year or two, and I didn't pay attention to it when I got it, but I did notice that it didn't have a barcode. So I said, oh, that's a keeper. But anyway, it's made by the Shaler Company. They make Rislone. Rislone tracks itself back to 1921. So this can was definitely after 1921. I don't know if they immediately had this product out, but Rislone is their oil additive. Um, it talks about it on this side of the can, I believe, right here, this the one with the finer print there. I'll go ahead and bring it up here so you can freeze frame it and read the information. Hold it there for about 2 or 3 seconds. If you want to read that, it talks about how all valves are sticky. And this is a little bit more information. And you just don't see this on cans anymore. So if you want to read this, it talks about the instructions on how to use it. And, you know, I was going to let you freeze frame that if you want to read that. I just think these cans are really interesting. And then, of course, here's the directions now. The way my light's hitting it, I don't know if it's going to do well, but there's a nice zoom in on that. That's the directions on how to do it. It's just dump it down the carburetor and let the engine, I guess, ingest it. And it's, I guess, just got like seafoam today or chem tool, something that's going to go through the combustion part of the system. Like I say, the Rislone product is the one that's got all the history, the winning. I mean, they campaign winning cars in NHRA, USAC, which is the old IndyCar system. You know, they were a big sponsor. KARBOUT, this is just like a little side product of the Rislone. Kind of does similar work, but that's about all I know about it. This is a nice little can. It's still got the product in it. It's been kept indoors. It didn't sit out in the weather. So there's your long version. It's a keeper for my collection. I don't know. Just kind of neat having these cans in that nice a shape. Thanks for watching.